Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Basic Index Laws Worksheet. So this video has a worksheet on the basic index laws. We have 14 examples here and you're asked to do these at your leisure. If you're not sure how to proceed, there's a lesson on this very topic. And if you go to the last slide, there is a link. If you click on the link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will show you how to do all these examples. I'll leave this video on for about a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like. So this particular slide, pause it for as long as you like, and then after a minute or so, I'll move on to the next slide, which has all the answers, and you can see how you went. I'll move on to the next slide now, which contains the answers. And here are the answers for all the examples. I'll leave it on for a minute or so while you check the answers, and then I'll move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.